Hello class 109. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2020, and today we're going to be doing AHA Grammar, pages 104 to 107. So pause the video, make sure you have your books out at the right page, and then we're going to start, okay? Okay, so in AHA Grammar, page 104, what we're starting with is can, and then a question. So grammar point. So let's learn. So the question is always the same. Can at the beginning. Can I swim? Can you swim? Can he, she, or it swim? Can we swim? Can you swim? Can they swim? So this one's pretty easy, okay? All that's really changing is the pronoun, but the verb is going to be the same, and it's always can at the beginning, okay? So let's look at the answer. Yes, you can. Yes, I can. Yes, he, she, it can. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. Yes, they can. That is if the answer is yes. So, yes always comes at the beginning and can at the end, okay? Now, if the answer is no, it's very similar. So, no is always at the beginning. No, you can't. No, I can't. No, he, she, it can't. No, you can't. No, we can't. No, they can't. Okay? So you've got no at the beginning, your pronouns, and then can't at the end. All right? So let's say it together, okay? Can you play the piano? Yes, I can. Can he ride a bike? No, he can't. Can she skate? No, she can't. Can it jump? Yes, it can. Can you fly? No, we can't. Can they play soccer? Yes, they can. So if you have to, try this again to make sure you really understand, but we are going to move on to the next page, okay? So if we look at practice, let me just fold this a little bit better so you can see more. There we go. Okay. So look, write, and check. All right? So if we've got number one, can it run? It's a snake. Snakes cannot run. So the answer is no, it can't. Okay? Let's try and do number two together. So what do we start with? We always start with can. Can he paint? And if we look at the little boy, it looks like he can paint. So yes, he can. So check this one and write can here. Can he paint? Check. Yes, he can. Okay? Let's try number three. Number three is blank, they play tennis. Well, we know that we always start with can. Can they play tennis? Can they play tennis? Okay, and it looks like they can't, right? They are not playing tennis. So, no, they can't. So, can they play tennis? No, they can't. Check, okay? Let's move on to number four. Number four, blank, you walk. So we always start with can, right? Can you walk? Then we look at the baby. Can the baby walk? Yes, I can. So can you walk? And then you check. Yes, I can. Okay? Yes, I can. So redo this if you have to. Pause the video and rewind to make sure you have all the right answers. But we are going to move on to B. Okay? So for B, what we're going to do is look and write. So when we look at these, we have he, she, and they. Okay? And what we have to do is we have to see if it is a circle or an X for each activity. Okay? So the first one, can he play the piano? Well, the pronoun is he, so let's go look at he. So he, can he play the piano? Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Okay? Let's try and do number 2. Number 2, can she ride a horse? So she, right? Let's go look at she. Ride a horse is a circle. So yes, she can. So what we're going to do for number 2 is we're going to write, yes, she can. So, number 2, yes, she can. Okay? Yes, she can. Let's see if we can just angle this a little bit better so you can see. How's that? Is that better? That should be better. Perfect. Okay. So if we go look at this, sorry, over here. Number 3, can they paint? Let's go look at they, right? They. So they paint. Yes, they can paint. So for number 3, we're going to write yes. Make sure you use the right pronoun. They can. Okay? Let's do number 4. If we're going too fast, pause the video, but we're going to move on, okay? So, number 4. Now we're doing the opposite. So, we already know the answer is going to be no, right? So if you look at the answers, all of them are no. So what we have to do is we have to find the activity that the person cannot do. So let's go to he. We start with he. Can he? Let's go to he. What can he not do? Ride a horse, right? The X is there. So can he ride a horse? No, he can't. So for number 4, we have can he ride a horse? Question mark? And the answer is no, he can't. Period. Okay? Can he ride a horse? No, he can't. Okay? Let's go to the next one. Number 5, can she, let's go see she. What can't she do? She can't paint. Number 5, can she paint? No, she can't. Okay? That's number 5. Can she paint? No, she can't. Period. Okay? Make sure you have that. Then we're going to go on to the last one. Can they, so they, let's go look at they, play the piano? Can they play the piano? No, they can't. Okay? So, can they play the piano? No, they can't. Can they play the piano? No, they can't. So pause the video to make sure that you have this, okay? We're going to move on to page 106, all right? Okay. So the next page, 106. Look and write. Can he fly a kite? Look at the picture. No, he can't. So, number 2, we always start with can. Can you play baseball? Yes, I can. Because they are playing baseball. Or no, yes, we can. Sorry. Because there's 2 people, it's we. So, can you play baseball? Yes, we can. Okay, that's number 2. So I'm going to erase this. Make sure you have it. So for number 2, always can, and then underneath, it's going to be yes, we can. All right, those are your answers. Should I get a new pen? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Can they walk? We look, they can't. So no, they can't, right? We always start with can. Can they walk? No, they can't. That's number 3. Number 3, can, and then your answer, no, they can't. Okay? That's number 3. All right. Number 4, can you dance? Yes, I can. Right? Always start with can, then yes, I, one person, yes, I can. Okay? Can they dance? No, they can't. Okay, can they walk? No, they can't. Number 5. Can it fly? Well, bunnies cannot, so no, it can't, right? It. And we always start with can. So number 5, can, no, it can't. Right? Let's go to number 6. Can she skate? Yes, she, right? She can. That's number 6. Can she skate? Yes, she can. Okay? So make sure you have this. Pause the video to make sure you got all the right answers. Okay. So now, if we go to D, so we have to read and write. So you swim. So let's ask the person, can you swim? That's number 1. Now for number 2, he plays tennis. So if we want to ask him, we are going to say, can he play tennis? Make sure there's no S, right? Can he play tennis? Make sure you have this because I'm going to erase. Okay, so number 2, can he play tennis? Can he play tennis? All right? So make sure you have that. We're going on number 3. Number 3, it walks. Well, we want to ask him, and what do we start with? Can it walk? No S. Okay, so number 3, can it walk? Can it walk? All right, let's go to the next one. She rides a bike. So for number 4, we always start with, can she ride a bike? Can she ride a bike? Okay, so pause if you have to. All right, next one. We dance. Can we dance? Or you can say, can they dance? But we are going to say, can we dance? Okay? Can we dance? Dance. All right. Number 6. They write. It's always the same thing. Can they write? 6. Can they write? All right. So make sure you have that. We're going to move on, okay? So pause if you have to. We're going to move on to the last page, 107. Okay? All right. So, can you cook, read, and write? So, we're going to start here. So, blank, she ride a horse? Yes, she can. Well, this one's easy. Can she ride a horse? Yes, she can. So, can up here. Okay? The next one, blank, you cook? Yes, I can. Always the same. Can you cook? Can you cook? Some blank, you read? No, we can't. Can you read? No, we can't. Can you read? Let's go to the next one. Something they paint? No, they can't. Can they paint? No, they can't. All right, now we're gonna go to read and unscramble. I want you to try and do 1 to 4 by yourself, and then we're going to do it together. So pause, try these, and then we will do it together, okay? Okay, so number 1, they can paint. Well, we know that we always start with can. Can, and then this is the pronoun they paint. Can they paint? Okay, number 2, can cook you? We always know. We always start with can. Can you cook? Okay? Number 3, she, a horse, ride, can. So the answer to number 3, we always start with can. Can, and the pronoun she, ride a horse. Okay? And the last one, read you can. The answer for this one is always can you read. Okay, so pause the video to make sure you have the right answers. But that is it for our lesson today. If you guys have any questions, call or email the school. We will help you. I don't have anything else for today, so I will see you guys on Monday, okay? Bye guys, have a good weekend.